संन्यासः कर्मयोगश्च निःश्रेयस्करः भुवो तयस्तु कर्मसन्न्यासात् कर्मयोगः विशिष्यते. Both the path of karma sannyas and karma yoga lead to supreme goal. Path, a karma yogi is one who does both spiritual and social duties. But in karma sannyas, you discard social duties and completely absorbed in devotional service to me. Do you think, Arjun, that karma sannyasis move much faster toward me than karma yogi? But even if that also, I recommend you to be a karma yogi because karma sannyas are exposed to danger. If having renounced their duties, they cannot absorb their mind in me. They are left neither here nor there. But on the other hand, in karma yoga, if mind turns away from spirituality, at least they have their work to fall back upon. Karma sannyas is only for elevated souls who have already risen beyond the bodily platform, and that should be pursued under the expert guidance of a guru. Thus, Karma Yoga is the safer path than Karma Sannyas. Hence, hey path, Karma Yoga is superior to Karma Sannyas.